Well, good morning everybody. So today, back at the workshop, and we've got a few things to unbox. I'm kind of excited about this. Got a brew, bloody freezing cold. Gone 9:30, but let's get a knife. Let's crack into seeing what we've bought. Knife. I've already opened this one just to check, and we have two exciting things. Number one, new cam belt. This is for the Mitsubishi. The other one took a real belt and probably should be changed, even though it's fairly new. Invoice. In this bag, I have a new cam pulley retaining bolt. Now, this is the exciting box. I'm not going to bother her. And here we have a complete top-end gasket set for the Mitsubishi. Ooh. You just know it's going to be a trial to get this stuff out. Me brew. I mean, we've just got all the prices. All right, I'm going to tip it out. It'll be well protected, I hope. Polystyrene, I hate polystyrene. We have here a box full of nuts, bolts, cylinder head bolts, bits and bobs like that. And now, remove a bit more packaging. And here, folks, we have I don't want to rip the box. Give me a second. We have a complete Mitsubishi L200 D456 cylinder head with cams and rocker. So I have now, including a bag full of studs, but I have now everything I need, I hope, to put the Mitsu back into a running condition, famous last words, and get this project done. So a bit more of an update. Yesterday, the reason I wasn't down here working my little heart out was because I went to see a new truck, a Mitsubishi Hilux. Sorry, what am I about? A Toyota Hilux, four-wheel drive, same sort of thing, twin cab. And hopefully I'll be purchasing that next week. which means I need this truck done because I need to get some money back off it. And I don't like selling crap, which is why I bought a new head. I've ruled out any risks of problems as long as I assemble this correctly, which I will. And then somebody will get themselves a pretty good lorry and I can move on and see this gone. I would never trust it now, in my view. It would always be, you know, niggling me. So that's it, that's what we've got. Job for today, finish off the ZX12, get that fired up. I'll show you a little bit of that, but I wanted to just show you how things are moving on and why you've not seen anything happen with the Mitsubishi for a few days. Okay, I'm gonna have my tea, crack on. Well, morning everybody. So here is my L200 Mitsubishi pickup. We've recently done a whole load of engine work on this truck and it's now hopefully finished. It's running quite well. So I'm here today, going to give it a cold start, see how she fires up and take her for a bit of a drive. And then we've got it booked in for MOT on Monday. So I want to keep the engine sort of turning over, put some heat into it. It's all good stuff for the car. Right guys, it's been a few days. Let's fire up the beast. Glow plug lights out. Sounds good. pressures are a little bit low. Something I should really sort out when I get back. Now, first thing, engine management lights come on. So that's one thing I haven't got fixed yet. Engine feels a bit underpowered for a 2.5 litre diesel. Not exactly very happy. To be a little bit more peppy. Well, I would definitely say we're not getting the boost we should have. Well guys, that just about wraps it up for this one. Not a lot more footage to show you, unfortunately. What I did do is when I got back, I rechecked how all of the sensors on the airflow system were piped up. I'd got that wrong. I put it right. The engine light's gone out now, fortunately. And the thing drives a heck of a lot better. In fact, it drives really, really nice now. So she's booked in for the MOT on Monday. We'll see what that brings about, because obviously there could be other problems with the truck, but to be honest, everything works so well on it. It brakes nicely, it steers like a dream. You know, the engine's really peppy. What can I say? If it wasn't for the history me and that truck have, I would definitely keep it. It drives beautifully now. So let's see what happens. So that'll be it for this week. You'll see this on Friday, usual time, just gone 6. And next week, besides the MOT on the truck, we should be starting to fabricate the ramp on the trailer. So I've ordered all of the steel. That'll be in on Saturday. I'll go and collect it. And also next week, although I'm not sure when, you guys will get to preview the new truck. Yeah, nice one. So thank you very much for watching. I'll let you know how we go in the MOT. Until next time, have a good night. Thank you.